This is the Carmine of Orgiona Landscape and Tree Service. 1-800 Mike e Carmine. E guarda Lugano a rete, mo lo mozzica a zigavano, look, Lugano. Atta boy Mike, Mike, you don't listen to me, I hit you in the head with the rake. You see I got the rake in my hand? Oi, man. We don't play games over here. What do you think? Is this a Mario Jordan landscaping? Yeah. What do you guys think? Look, Lugano. Look. That's how you stump grind. That's how we do it. That's how we do it in Westchester County over here. Alright? We do it better than Charamel. Put this on YouTube. Look, I'm coming, got the rakers in. They hit Mike like 3 times. Mike! This is Bayberry Tree Service. They do everything. Cut down trees, stump grind. Fucking house, the tree hit the house. Look at it. Came down, smashed it. Gonna take a new one. My farmer's gotta go call un ispettore. It goes nice and easy, nice and easy. Alright? Pick it up! Pick it up! Vou falar desse com o cigarro. Alright, Mike's lost. He don't know which way to go. He don't know to go backwards or forward. Number one, he's got to lift up the fucking boom or else he's going to go right in his fudge. that concludes our YouTube video on how to stump grind for Bayberry landscaping. And this is Michael Hart. Until next time.